So, Yesha, the news break that is coming in this hour is that statement from Ajit Pawar making that sensational claim that it is indeed Supriya Sule's audio in that clip that's been circulated.
And this gives a whole new turn to that controversy because Supriya Sule has flatly denied all these allegations against her. So has Nana Patole, who had just spoken to us a short while ago. And most importantly, Ajit Pawar saying that he can confirm for a fact because he's worked very closely with Nana Patole and Supriya Sule being his sister. From the tonality of that audio clip, he says that while he recognizes that it is the two, but he's saying that only further investigation can provide transparency and clarify the matter. He's asserted that everything will be made clear once the investigation is complete. Now, Samiksha, while Republic does not vouch for the authenticity of that audio clip, is the disclaimer that we have been putting out over and over again. On the other hand, Supriya Sule, as reports suggest, has also admitted that it was her voice in the clip, but flatly denying all these allegations, so much so that she's also filed a defamation case against Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, who had held that news conference. For the moment, we have this response from Ajit Pawar making that sensational claim against Supriya Sule and Nana Patole. Let's listen in.
उनका ये उसके बारे में जो कुछ ऑडियो दिखा रहे हैं वो आवाज के बारे में मुझे इतना ही जानकारी है। मैं दोनों को भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ, बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ। एक तो मेरी परिवार की मेरी बहन है और दूसरे हमने जिनके साथ बहुत साल काम किया है, एक दूसरे के विरोध में भी किया है, एक दूसरे के साथ भी किया है, महाविकास आघाड़ी में भी किया है। वो बीच में बीजेपी के भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट थे। ऐसे सभी जगह उन्होंने काम किया, तो वो भी आवाज उनका ही है, उनका बोलने का टोन, उनका आवाज दोनों का वही है। अभी इसके बारे में इंक्वायरी हो जाएगी। इंक्वायरी होने के बाद पता चलेगा कौन है, क्या है, इसके पीछे सच राज क्या है, वो पता चलेगा। तो इसके खिलाफ कल मेरे भी खिलाफ किसी ने कुछ ऐसा निकाला कि जो बोलना गलत है या कानून के हिसाब से या कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के हिसाब से बराबर नहीं है, ऐसी बातें किसी ने भी करनी नहीं चाहिए।
And that was Ajit Pawar making the sensational claim that it was indeed his sister's voice. And as Suyesha pointed out, that we do not verify the authenticity of that audio that has been doing the rounds, Suyesha. But let's also go across to Meenakshi, who's joining us live. Meenakshi, we just heard that statement coming in from Ajit Pawar. The rivalry between the brother and sister is a well-known fact. But once again, if you can run us through the statements coming in from the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders on this purported clip, the audio clip of Supriya Sule that has been doing the rounds.
All right, not too sure if Meenakshi is still connected with us, and we will try and reconnect that line, but certainly a whole new twist to this entire controversy. Ajit Pawar himself, who's facing his family member in that key battle, and the NCP Ajit Pawar faction versus the NCP Sharad Pawar faction. He himself saying that he recognizes his sister's voice, but it is the investigation at the end of it that will put out the truth. We've seen how this election was rocked by the biggest controversy yesterday, where it was the MVA that went all out against the BJP over the cash for votes charge, and later in the day, how the tide turned against Supriya Sule and Nana Patole, where the BJP came all guns blazing, raising the Bitcoin scam, which is something that has been completely refuted by Supriya Sule and Nana Patole as well. Samiksha, we have that exclusive with Nana Patole, and we'll also put out that clip in a short while. But before that, I'm being told Meenakshi is with us on the broadcast. Meenakshi, how much of an impact it will be on the election result is something we will know, and how people have perceived this entire controversy. But for now, he said, she said, version coming in from both sides actually. Ajit Pawar saying that he knows it is his sister's voice. He's worked very closely with Nana Patole. He knows it is the two of them. Supriya Sule and Nana Patole, on the other hand, refuting all allegations.
Well, Samiksha, Ajit Pawar's remarks on that beat controversy is very important because he is saying that voice of Supriya Sule and Nana Patole is true because he knows the voice of Supriya Sule and Nana Patole. And the BJP yesterday showed that chat and also that audio clip of Nana Patole and Supriya Sule. Now, today, Ajit Pawar, when he was in Baramati and he was casting his vote, he said that voice of two individuals, like one of them is Supriya Sule and one of them is Nana Patole, he can recognize their tones. And also Ajit Pawar said that inquiry will be conducted on to clarify the matter and provide transparency and truth will come, as Ajit Pawar was saying on that beat scam. And where is the controversy? We saw that yesterday while today's voting is going on peacefully and the other side the controversy is going on at the same time. BJP did a press conference and they were saying that on that big beat scam controversy. What is that big beat scam controversy? There is an ex-IPS officer, there is an IPS officer who alleged that Rabindranath Patil, he accused Mr. Pawar's daughter, Supriya Sule, and the State Congress chief Nana Patole of being involved in a fraud case involving cryptocurrency that dated back to 2018. And this fund he alleged used for this election. That was used for 2019, that Lok Sabha election also, and that was used for this election, this 24 assembly election also. Samiksha.
Yes, stay with us, Meenakshi. If you can also once again talk to us about those pointed questions that have been put by the BJP to Nana Patole and Supriya Sule, categorically asking if they recognize Supriya Sule's voice, one, and if they have any links with former CP Amitabh Gupta and the dealer who's been identified as Gaurav Mehta, who allegedly contacted Rabindranath Patil, after which the former IPS has made those sensational charges.
Samiksha, same question asked by Vinod Tawde also. Vinod Tawde also. Republic spoke to Vinod Tawde and he said, I want answer from Congress and also from NCP, from Supriya Sule, that there is their voice Now Vinod Tawde is that big beat scam. Ajit Pawar claims that he recognized the voice of Supriya Sule and Nana Patole.
I think if Ajit Pawar is saying that, then inquiry will be strong and they will be caught that they have done it.
Samiksha, you can, thank you, sir. Samiksha, you can see what Vinod Tawde said on this on that big beat scam controversy. He said that if Ajit Pawar is saying this voice is of Supriya Sule and Nana Patole, then truth will come, and if he is saying so, that we can see later what will happen. But the 5 questions arised by BJP, that now question number 1, that is there any link with that ex-officer with Supriya Sule and Nana Patole? Was it Supriya Sule and Nana Patole's voice? And they have to clarify that. What is this beat scam controversy? BJP needs answer from Congress and NCP also. Samiksha.
Right.
Right, Meenakshi, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, Samiksha, important now because both sides of the story are playing out in full swing, and it is important because this is coming on polling day. Supriya Sule, in response to the allegations regarding her involvement in the crypto fraud, has strongly denied all the allegations. She's called them false, and she's saying that the investigation will put out the truth. Listen in to what she said.
आपके ऊपर आरोप लगे हैं बिटकॉइन स्कैम का, और ये कहा गया है कि जो बिटकॉइन स्कैम है उसका पैसा विधानसभा चुनाव में उपयोग किया गया है।
ये सारे आरोप झूठ है। जिन्होंने किए हैं उनको मैंने डिफेमेशन का नोटिस भेजा है।
आपकी आवाज बताया जा रहा है कि आपकी आवाज एक मिनट आपकी आवाज
मैंने साइबर क्राइम को कंप्लेन की है।
जो चैट हुआ है, जो बातचीत हुआ है,
वो मैंने साइबर क्राइम को कंप्लेन की है। मैंने पहले भी आपको दिया है ना बाइट सर।
जो
थैंक यू।
बीजेपी ने जो 5 सवाल किए हैं, जो
5 सवाल मैंने डिनाई किया। पगाशी बोल लेना, मैंने बोल दिया ना आपको। 5 सवाल जहां बीजेपी चाहे उनकी जगह, वो जहां बुलाएंगे वो जगह, वो वक्त, वो प्लेटफॉर्म। झूठ झूठ झूठ।